Good morning, friends. I thought I would come on today and show you something I want to try in 2023, and that is using Vellum. If you were watching my Maggie Holmes Super Kit videos, you'll know that the Vellum was in the Super Kit. And so I was trying to find a way to use it and also use up some of my journaling cards. And this is what I came up with. Some of the cards are plain behind, so this is just white cardstock. And then I just took my sewing machine and I stitched. And then that way it's done. And some of these I don't have plans for, and some I do. Yeah, it gives a very different look when you put like a pattern behind it. The vellum really softens whatever pattern might be going on behind. This one was a bit of an oopsie, but I actually ended up liking the way it turned out. I may have to just cover this end a little bit. Yeah. So I'll probably put some of them just plain cardstock. I really like this one actually. The layered leaves. Like that one too. And a lot of these vellums, the top half was more of a plain, and then the bottom half had like a glitter add-on to it. I'm just looking for the bottom half of this one. Yeah. So same paper. This one's got gold glitter. This one does not. But yeah, I really like the way these turned out. This one was just layered with dollar store paper. And not all of them will get used in the Maggie Holmes kit probably, but some of them probably will. Any of the ones that have florals. It's another one of those leaf ones. Again, just layered it over a pattern. This one I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I actually really like it. Same thing, dollar store paper. Oh, I think this is dollar store paper. You get the idea. And then this one I sewed all the way around. It's also a great way to use up some of your washi tape, because what I did on the backs of all of these cards was just snip the threads and then just anchored it with some washi just so it wouldn't get hung up. Yeah, so there you go. Quick little video about using vellum, and I don't have much vellum left in my stash actually. There's very little left. There's some acetate. I may do the same thing with acetate too. So these ones I may just turn into like little 3x4 pockets. I haven't yet decided, but I feel pretty happy getting some of the other pieces out of this little bin. And I also have some 12x12 sheets of specifically Maggie Holmes vellum that I'm going to be looking to use up somehow. So stay tuned. All right, friends, that's it for me for today. As always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.